LaborWise is a unique product that takes a massive amount of employee or worker data from an organization, from workforce management, from human resources, from payroll, perhaps from benefits or retiree systems, and brings it in and runs it through our analytics engine to provide insights that we don't think anybody else has. They're insights that are based on our years and years of experience, years and years of doing this kind of work, and it provides a tremendous value to organizations because it provides a view on their worker data that perhaps they had never ever seen before. With analytics, it's taking that data and making sense of it. That's why we call our organization Workforce Strategy and Insights. We don't call it analytics. It's really taking all that data and analyzing it in such a way that you can provide some insights that are meaningful to organizations so they can actually do something with that and provide value. The workforce is changing more dramatically than we've ever seen in the past. We're seeing globalization, we're seeing virtual workers. The millennials are really changing how the workforce is evolving. We're seeing baby boomers that are working in the market much longer, and we're seeing the Uberization of the workforce. And when I say Uberization, it's really the contract that the worker has with the employer. It's dramatically increasing the contingent worker and the value of the contingent worker in the workforce. The organizations that can see it, that can predict it, those are the organizations that are going to thrive in the future. Our Deloitte Human Capital Trends Survey is showing that 51% of organizations are saying that they're going to use more contingent workers next year than they have this year. And that trend is going to continue with these kinds of activities. When we used to talk about human capital, we talked about benefits and compensation, policy and process, governance and the systems that support it. But now when we talk about human capital, we talk about the workforce. Labor cost optimization is really all about having the right worker in the right place, at the right time, in the right role, at the right rate. Where's the best worker? Who's the best person for the job? And am I paying them the right rate? And ultimately, it's about cost. We call it labor cost optimization. But more importantly, it's about productivity and efficiency and consumer outcomes. It can help them recognize a tremendous amount of cost savings. That cost savings is one-time and sustainable. And what we've seen a lot of organizations do is take that cost savings and fund other projects, other initiatives. It's taking human capital and moving it from a compliance organization, a reactive organization, to a credible, strategic organization within the business.